Hey guys, it's Scott and
Little man.
And today we're going to build some more raised beds.
We're going to build 2 more.
That's right, 2 more, sort of like the one we built before. Don't forget to check out that video. But this time they're going to be 8 feet long instead of 6 feet long, but they're going to be just as wide, which is 3 feet wide by a foot high, or about 10-11 inches high. So as you can tell, I feel like I'm sitting on my throne with my scepter, my staff. We got wood over here that we picked up earlier. We got soil here, which apparently is not going to be enough for both raised beds. I don't even think this is enough for one. But
it's 16 cubic feet.
That's right. I'm sitting on 16 cubic feet, or we're sitting and standing on 16 cubic feet of dirt. I figured out that an 8 foot long, 3 foot wide, a foot high raised bed will take about 24 cubic feet per raised bed. So that being said, we got 16 because that's all we could fit in the truck at the time. And so we're probably going to pick up some more later today, but first I thought we'd go ahead and get the beds raised. Get the raised beds. Hey, nobody probably can see your head. But we want to get the raised beds built and get the weed guard mats put down. Same thing I put down at the bottom here and everything. And thought we'd take you guys along for the ride because we want to get some seeds planted. And we also want to kind of get at least one of them or both of them built. I don't know if we're going to put any soil in them today, just because tomorrow we're expected to have about 2 inches or more of rain, and it's supposed to start raining like 3-4 o'clock in the morning and then just not stop all day. So we just want to get done what we need to get done. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, there are the 2 sides of the 8 foot long beds. Okay, and we're going to put them together. We're going to use those 2x2s there. Okay, and little man's just kind of, I guess, trying to make sure they're flat. There you go, there's 2x2s. And then over here, I got the 3 foot end pieces and some more 2x2s that we may need, okay? Now, one little problem I kind of ran into is that these 3-inch screws are going to stick out about that much into the bed, which can be a little hazardous to our health. But we're going to do what we can and be careful. Alright, what I'm going to do here, thank you, is I'm going to put these towards the edge, but I'm going to make sure I leave enough space for the ends to go. Make sure it's done right. Okay. Let's see here. Alright, there we go. And now I'm going to drill one here and one here to get it started. I'm not going to go all the way through because, like I mentioned, about 3/4 of an inch will go into come right out the other side. It's not like I'm doing a video here. Did you kill that spider?
No, it was an ant.
It was an ant. Okay.
I murdered it.
Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw into the boards this way with the 2x2. Okay? And that way the pavement, I'll stop when I hit pavement. Alright, we're going to do this, get them all the way through here. Okay.
water gel in this.
Alright, we got those mostly in. It's holding it, so we're just going to leave it at that for now. Now let's go ahead and get the rest done. Okay guys, we went ahead and got 2 sides to one of the beds done. Okay, you probably noticed the deck screws sticking out. There's a little man trying to show you. Now what we did, get the camera here. Now what I did is I got 4 on each end, and then at the midpoint at 4 feet, if you can move that stuff, little man. As you can see, I put 1 each to hold in the centerpiece, and then I just finished it off doing the end pieces here. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to take the weed barrier, put that down where we're going to put the beds, and then put the beds together. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.
As you can see, we're placing the boards down on this weed stopper, and show you they're 8 feet long. We have it stopped at 8 feet, and raised bed, soil. Okay. See? Yeah. We'll be putting the other one on soon. So yeah. Bye.
Hey guys, we kind of ran into a little snag here with the raised bed build. We got one of them partially done, and it turns out that my cordless drill, both batteries are dead and they will not charge. So it looks like I may have to go borrow one and everything. I was hoping to get these done before the big rain that we're going to have tomorrow, but we'll see how it goes. But this is kind of how it looks. I got the weed guard down. Now the weed guard said it was 3 foot by 50 foot, but I measured it and it's not 3 foot wide. So I went ahead and put a double layer down and kind of spread them out, kind of overlapped them like that, so that we should do pretty good. But that's what it looks like right now. And well, we'll have to see about getting the rest done later. All right. Hey guys. Okay. I thought I was going to end this video with make it a 2-parter, but I was able to get me another cordless drill, and so I just want to at least get this one done so I can show you the finished product and kind of get it all sorted out. Okay. It's been a couple hours since I stopped the first part of the video, so that's why the lighting's probably a lot different too. Okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and finish up. I'm going to put the sides on both ends, and then we're going to put some soil in it. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish this up. Alrighty, now board number 2, which seems to be just slightly larger. Okay. Okay. And we go. Let's try the other side. All right. Now you guys will see how far these bolts actually come out. See how far they come out? I'll show you on the other one too. Alright, I'm getting signal the battery's about ready to die. On the camera, not on this. Here we go. See how far they stick out? That's going to be a real problem. So what I'm probably going to do is try and put something across that so I don't get hurt, because I'll be the one to get hurt. Alright, I'm going to swap out the batteries and get reset up. Well guys, we're done with one raised bed. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put some of this soil in here. Maybe all, I don't know. It depends how tiresome it gets. But remember I mentioned earlier that we had 16 of these 1 cubic foot garden soil bags. I picked up 8 more. Okay, so I got a full 24, which should fill that fine. Probably have 1 bag left, maybe 2, just because it's not exactly 12 feet. I mean 12 inches deep. It's about 11 inches deep, so that should be fine. And so we're going to go ahead and put this stuff in there and see how it goes. Okay, all right. The dirt feels very warm. I guess because it's been out in the sun at the place at Lowe's. Alright, there's the mess. It took 20 bags to fill that up. I expect some settling. Okay, so that's 20 cubic feet in that raised bed. That's a lot of dirt. As you can see, it makes a mess. Now I'm going to clean all this up, and then I'll have some closing thoughts. Whew, that was quite a bit. Okay, closing thoughts. We'll go to bed. But some of the closing thoughts, just want to say that this is a dirty job. I'm going to really look forward to my shower tonight. And it just, even though I'm tired and I've been working a heck of a lot of overtime at work because of a special move we got going on, instead of just kicking back today and just doing nothing and relaxing, I decided to come out here, work on the garden, because I want us to get the seeds. I want us to grow our own food, as much of our own food as we can. And plus, I don't know enough about gardening, and this is a really easy way for me to learn from my mistakes and get suggestions and everything from you guys, because you guys have been wonderful in helping me figure out what to do and stuff like that. So I really thank you for that. And I tell you, it's a good little project to do on the weekend, you know. Even though it's a lot of work, it's dirty work. You know, and I need the exercise. It feels really good getting back to the land. I mean, I really enjoy getting my hands into the dirt and everything and spreading it around and just kind of enjoying it. So we'll see how this raised bed does. Again, it's 8 foot long, 3 foot wide, and about 11 inches high. And I got most of the dirt up to the edge there. I got 4 more cubic feet I can spread in there, but we have some heavy rain coming tomorrow, and I'm hoping that'll help settle it down some, give it some rest. And then I'll see about getting some of the seeds planted. I'm not sure what I'm going to plant in this bed yet. I haven't gotten the other one built yet. Just kind of ran out of daylight, so even though I still got daylight, but you know what I mean. And I'm pooped. You know, when you're doing something like this at my age, I don't have as much energy as I used to. So, but I really enjoyed this. Little man helped out a lot, and you know, spending time with little man, I really enjoy when it's something like this. he came out and helped fill up the dirt and everything, you know, on his own, which is great. It shows that he wants to be active and more involved, and I love that. I suspect he got a hold of my camera earlier today, so it's going to be interesting to see what videos he shot, and I may put a compilation together of all his silliness. But anyways, guys, thank you very much for hanging out with us. If you guys have any questions or comments or whatever, please put them below. Let us know what you think. We always love hearing from you. I try to respond to every single comment or message within 24 hours. And if you haven't subscribed already, please click that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. I really thank all my current subscribers and everything. And if you do click that subscribe button, don't forget to click the little bell icon that notifies you next time we put out a video, okay? And other than that, y'all have a simply unbelievable day. Get out in the outdoors and enjoy nature. God bless you. And we'll see y'all in the next video.